Today I'm going to be showing you how I did this look. I don't really know what to call it. I'm kind of in the zone of doing warm blends with blue on the lid at the moment. I don't know what's going on. That's all I seem to be doing, but here's another one. I'll show you in this video how I create the eye look, what products I use, how I messed up on the blending a few times and had a bit of a mental breakdown in the middle. But we're still here. This still made it onto the internet, hopefully. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and let's get straight into it. So I've done my eyebrows and the concealer on my eyelids as per usual. So I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Gel and the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. So yeah, now we're just gonna get into some makeup. I don't really know what I'm gonna do. I haven't really planned it. I just thought I'd sit down, do some makeup and actually film it because, yeah, I don't know. I didn't really feel like filming anything specific today. I'm going to be taking the Be Perfect Cosmetics Stacey Marie Carnival palette. As you guys know, this is my favourite palette in the whole world. I saw Ellie's Makeup do a look with this palette and she did like a blue and then it was like pink, purple, like, and then blended out. It was like a sunset but with blue as the sort of main colour rather than purple, which is what I normally go for. We're going to try it. I'm also going to be trying some new brushes today. These are the by Kiraby brushes. Now I've got two and they look like this that she sent me. I do have a discount code SCL10 if you guys want to save some money, but this is like a crease sort of diffuser brush. This is perfect for applying, so for carving out the eyebrows and applying shimmer products. So I'm really excited to try these today. Let's start off with the Powder and Pout P310 brush, which is shaped like this, and I'm just going to go in with the shade Mood, which is this dark blue shade here. And I'm just going to take some on the brush. I'm just going to go to town. Should I put tape or no? No, I'm thinking no tape today. Okay, we've got that colour, so now I'm going to go in with the by Kiraby blending brush and just blend out the edges with this brush clean. This is a technique I often like to do, but I never have any clean brushes, which is why I never do it. I only have a clean brush because it's new, so. I'm going to go in with this brush, this Morphe brush. I don't know what it is, but it's got pink on it. I'm going to use the shade Guilty, which is this shade up here, which is like a pink red sort of shade. I was going to go in with a brighter one, but because the blue's quite dark, I think this will work. This literally just looks like West Ham. I'm just going in with the blue and blending them into each other. Okay, I think next I'm going to go in with my favourite shade, Lit, this orange shade that always shows up really bright on camera. I literally adore this shade with my whole heart. So I'm going to take it on this brush here. We're just going to go to town. Is my boyfriend's little brother singing Old Town Road? I swear to God, I just heard him singing. Okay, I'm not too worried about the orange not being blended because, as you know, my favourite trick is going in with yellow to finish the look off, and we're going to use the Shuffle, which is my favourite yellow in the entire world. I've just sort of wiped off that brush and I'm going to take it on that same brush just because it's quite thin and I can really sort of get in there, you know. I don't really know what I'm doing down here. I'm going to kind of figure that out, but why do I always struggle with blending in the inner corner? I literally can never get it right, but here we are. This is what we're working with. So I'm going to cut the crease. I don't know what kind of cut crease I'm going to do. So I'm using a blue base. I don't really want to tell you which base it is because I don't like the brand, but Okay, so now that's done, what we're going to do is I think we're going to do like an ombre blue. So I'm going to start off with the lightest blue that I have in the inner corner. And that is from the Sclbeauty Cosmetics Versatile palette, which looks like so. And it's this one here. We're going to use the Sclbeauty brush to pack that on. There we go, some light blue. And then I'm going to take the same brush and pack on a brighter blue. And I'm going to use Sky, which is this one here. Okay, and then I'm going to blend, I will blend them two together. I'm going to blend the blue, which we used earlier, just on the outer. And there we go, that is our eyeshadow look. I feel like I need to add some glitter or something, just because it feels a bit bare without any glitter. I'm going in with Aquamarine from Lychee EXO. I do have a discount code with them. It is a Sclbeauty if you guys want to save some money. And I'm just going to take it on this brush again and just try and pat it on and see if it sticks. There we go, that is all I wanted, just a little bit of glitter on the inner, just to make it that little bit more, you know. What I'm going to do, guys, is just repeat this on my left eye. It'll probably be right in the camera. I'm going to complete this on my left eye and then I'm going to come back. I need to cut that again so it's sharp, but I kind of fixed it. I should have used tape in the first place. Learning from my mistakes, and I'm going to carry on filming and hopefully this makes it to the internet. I'll probably have another breakdown in like 10 minutes, so... Okay, so as per, the video angle's probably changed a lot. I do just need to clean this up and everything. The blend is even worse on this side than it is on this side, but I take selfies from this angle, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, so I'm going to go in with foundation. Now, my favourite foundation in the entire world at the moment is the Makeup Academy, or MUA, Pro Base Longwear Matte Finish Foundation. Now, I use the shade 146, and I have literally been wearing this every day. It's £3.33. Like, it is so cheap, and it is, like, it stays matte longer than the Maybelline Super Stay, and that is just incredible. So if you have oily skin like me and you really struggle to keep the oils away sort of during the day, I'd really recommend this foundation. There we go, that is foundation and concealer done. I've got a bit of blue sort of misbehaving over here, but like I say, I take selfies. Actually, I normally take selfies from this angle, but we're going to take selfies from this angle so that you can't see any of this mess. And then we're going to go in with some highlighter. I'm going to use the shade Sinner, which is my fave. It is a little bit dark for me, I am aware of that, but I love it so much that I don't even care. There we go. Now it's time for lashes. So the lashes I'm going to be using are the Lashes by Lucy Adele's Makeup collab. I'm so excited about these. If you don't know Adele's makeup, I'll link her down below, as well as linking Kira B and everyone, sort of every other product that I've featured in this video. But these are the lashes. And I can tell I'm going to wear these like every single day because they are so me. But I'm going to try them with this look. This is the first time I'm going to be trying them. And I'm really excited, so let's cut them size and put some glue on them. What we're going to do is put on the Pop Cosmetics liquid lipstick in Cocoa. While we wait for the lashes to get tacky, I'm just going to go and do the under eye shadow. So we're just going to take the same colours that we used earlier, the blue, all of those, and just repeat it on the lower lash line. Okay, so it looks like this is the look, guys. I'll give you a little close-up now. So as I said, I'm not entirely happy with the blend, especially on this eye. I literally hate it. But if we just look from this side, it's not so bad. I think it's important to understand that makeup is art and it doesn't have to be perfect. Do you know what I mean? Because it's open for interpretation. But I'm sort of a perfectionist. I always want things to be exactly how I envisioned them, and I get really frustrated if they don't go the way I want. But I need to learn to settle for things that are still good, but that I just, you know, I just need to learn to be happy with my work. I'll show you the look in a different lighting, actually. Does this make a difference? I don't know if that made any difference at all. No idea. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll link everything that you need down below. Oh, low battery. I'll link everything you need down below, including all my socials and everything, so if you want to follow me on there, go and check me out. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.